Okay, I'm starting. Come on, people, say 10 hut.
10 hut.
Oh, 10 hut.
It's right there. You cheater.
It's not cheating.
Oh, you missed.
Yeah, so did you, Brady.
I know. What? I need action. Getting.
Did he leave?
Oh, wait.
God, don't you get him on my spot?
I think it's all up to Michael. Ugh. He almost came to the camera, man. No one spoke the camera.
I got you.
You did?
Yeah, I got you in the
No.
leg. I think.
I didn't feel it.
Yeah, whatever.
Action.
Oh, crap, that's a bad idea. Michael might win again. Oh. Michael, that's not enough protection.